Hi everybody, it's Miss Hayes. Today we are going to do a really fun activity. I am going to teach you guys how to draw do you remember what this means? A bird! Good job! Kiss your brains! Good job remembering that sign language. So boys and girls, to draw, you're going to need a pen or a pencil and some paper. Are you guys ready? I'm gonna get my pen all ready to go. You guys ready? Here we go. First, you guys are gonna wanna draw a circle. So we're gonna draw a circle. Did you do it? Good job! All right, next one. Here we go. We're gonna draw the letter D. Do you guys know what the letter D is? D for dog, or D for dig, or D for durian fruit. That's a kind of fruit. It's a really silly name, huh? I'm surprised Miss Hayes remembered that. All right, letter D. Here we go. Gonna draw the letter D, and it's gonna be a little bit tilted. Just a little bit, though. Good job, you guys! Wow, you're doing such a fantastic job. All right, now this bird needs a beak. A beak is what they use to make their little noises with. Some birds say cheep, cheep, cheep. Some birds say caw, caw, caw. There's one bird that makes this noise. Cock-a-doodle-doo. What bird makes that noise? A rooster! Very good! You guys have a good memory. All right, here we go. Right up here by your circle, you're gonna make a triangle. A little tiny triangle. Good job! Wow! You guys are really good at doing your shapes. All right, now, this bird needs to be able to fly. So what does it need? It needs wings! Man, you guys are way too smart for Miss Hayes. We're gonna draw an oval right here for the wings. You guys ready? We're gonna put one here. And boop! You did it! Good job! Now, you can make the oval as big or as small as you want. Some birds have little wings. Some birds have really big wings. It depends on what kind of bird you're drawing. Now, this bird needs some feet. Very good. Now, birdie feet are really silly, so I'm going to teach you how to draw them. We're just going to use lines to draw birdie feet. So, right about here. You guys ready? So we're going to draw one line and then make little toes. 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to draw the other one. We're going to go 1, 2, 3. You did it! You drew some birdie feet. Very good job, you guys. Now, this birdie needs a tail feather. The tail feathers help the bird steer when they're flying in the air. To draw some tail feathers, we're going to have to do another triangle. The top of the triangle is going to go right here. You're going to draw 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! You've got your tail feathers. Fantastic job. Ooh, Miss Hayes' nose is itchy. You guys ever have an itchy nose? Miss Hayes twitches her nose. She kind of looks like a bunny. Except silly Miss Hayes, we're not drawing a bunny. We're drawing a bird. Let's keep going. Now, this bird needs something to be able to look. What do we need to be able to look? Eyes! Oh, silly Miss Hayes. I'm gonna draw a little eye. I'm gonna draw a little black eye. There we go! Wow! You guys are doing so good! All right, we finished our bird, but I think I want to add some special details to my bird. I want to make it look silly and fun. This part, you guys can decide what you want to put on your bird. I think on the top of mine, I'm going to put some swirls. 1, 2, 3. Some birds have really cool, pretty, crazy feathers on top of their heads. And crazy tail feathers too. So I'm going to add some swirls onto the tail feathers too. These kinds of birds are called birds of paradise. Can you say that? Birds of paradise. Fantastic job! You guys are such good listeners. Oh my goodness gracious. Now I think I want to add some polka dots right on his belly. What do you think? Do you like it? Now you guys can add whatever you want onto your bird. You can turn your bird into a chicken. You can turn your bird into a bird of paradise. You can turn your bird into a big hawk or a really big eagle. The choice is up to you. You could even make a penguin or an ostrich. Please send me pictures of your beautiful birds. I would love to see them. And the best part is, you guys get to color it whatever color you want. I think I'm going to color this guy blue and green and yellow and pink. Does that sound good? Yeah? You think? I think it does. Boys and girls, I have had so much fun with you drawing your bird. Oh, I almost forgot. We can't make a beautiful piece of artwork without writing our name. Silly Miss Hayes, I almost forgot. Miss Hayes. Now I'm done. Don't forget to write your name on your bird picture too. All right, boys and girls, I will see you next time for another super silly video. Mwah! I love you. Bye.